Hey, what, you trying to come back to the AB tonight? You're acting like you were asked. But you weren't asked.
Was I asked?
You weren't asked.
I was.
Yeah.
Can we not call it an EP? Let's not call it an EP.
What should we call it then? The shag pad.
That's a bit better.
You trying to come back to the shag pad?
Of course.
Go on, put the digits in then.
What?
Put the digits in.
Digits?
Yeah. Let me put my number in.
No, do you Instagram?
No. I'll actually answer the phone.
Oh, okay. Phone.
Alright, you ready?
Come on.
0121.